Hey, it's Robbie here, and I'm going to solve this here Rubik's Cube, which right now I'm messing up, no idea what I'm doing, and I'm going to time myself today. My best ever is 24 seconds as my solve, and I average about 40 seconds, a little bit less than that. I have a lot to learn still. I think I'm ready to learn some more. I just need to find the time. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started.